50 computer method for engineer. We, Group E, will present you a Torsion calculator. So first, let's go to see our group members. Hazani Zamri as the leader of this group, and here's all the members. You can have a look, okay? So, Group E have decided to take questions. Okay, this question sounds like a solid bar of circular section has diameter d of 5 meter and the length is 30 meter and the shear modulus of the elasticity is 79 gigapascal. Okay, so the bar is subjected to the torque T acting at the end. If the torque T is 1000 Newton per meter, then we have to calculate this for question. First question, polar moment of inertia. Second question, angle of the twist in the bar. Third question, maximum shear stress. And maximum torques. So we have to use all the various value of the length and diameter and the torque to find the answers.
Of this question. First, list of all of the variables involved. The first one is diameter, which is 5 meter, and the second one, length is equal to 30 meter. The third one is torque, which is equal to 1000 Nm. And then shear modulus of elasticity is equal to G is equal to 79 GPa. Question. First, polar moment of inertia J is equal to pi multiplied by diameter to the power of 4 over 32. And the second one, use the formula of angle of twist, pi is equal to torque multiplied by length over shear modulus multiplied by polar moment of inertia. Then, to calculate maximum shear stress, tau max is equal to 16 multiplied by torque over pi diameter power of 3. Then, lastly, to calculate maximum torque is equal to 2 pi polar moment over diameter.
Hi, my name is Naim Terasi. Okay, the second step is interface design. We use text boxes for diameter, length and torque. Labels to describe the needed text boxes: polar moment of inertia, angle of twist, maximum shear stress, maximum torque and units. Command buttons for action are needed such as calculate, new calculation and exit. Vertical scroll bar for the range of diameter and length.
Hello everyone, my name is Chai Pei. Now I would like to present the final design for the interface of Visual Basic. First, we can see that the number one is our torsion calculator with the name of FRM torsions. After that, the number 2, 3, and 4 are our text box with the name TSTD, TSTL, and TST Tot. Next one is our vertical scroll bars number 5 and 6 with the name VSB diameter and VSB length. Number 7, 8, and 9 are also our label box with the names label 1, 2, and 3. And this for our to put the units of the diameters, length, and torque. And number 10, 11, and 12 are also our label boxes with the which used to put the diameters, length, and torque with the name of LVL diameter, LVL length, and LVL torque. After that, number 13, 14, 15, and 16. Also, we use the label box to put the name of polar moment of inertia, angle of twist, maximum shear stress, and maximum torque with the names level 6, 7, 8, and 9. We don't have change anymore. And number 17, 18, 19, and 20, we also use the label box to get our answers with the name LVLJ, LVL Twist, LVL Max S, and LVL Max T. The last one is our common buttons which is number 21, 22, and 23 with the name CMD Calculates, CMD News, and CMD Exits for calculate new calculations and exits respectively.
My name is Kylie. Now I'll be presenting the input, processing, and the output. So the input is the diameter of the solid cylinder bar, D, the length of the solid of cylinder bar, L, and the torque between the solid cylinder bar and the wall, T. And for the equation, we have J, which is the polar moment of inertia is pi d power of 4 over 32, and the output will be the polar moment of inertia. And by the angle of twist equation, phi equals to TL over GJ, we will find out the answer of the angle of twist. And the equation T max equals to 16T over pi d cubed, we will find out the maximum shear stress. And lastly, the maximum torque will be the T equals to 2 phi J over D.
Hi, my name is Nur Ilmadina Benti Ano. The fourth step is program coding. First, we need to know the difference between pseudocoding and VB coding. For pseudocoding, it stands for false code. It used as a rough first draft of real computer code and use English language. For VB coding, it is a computer language and a simpler version of pseudocode. Next, for general declaration. For pseudocoding, option explicit, define variable diameter as integer, length as integer. For VB coding, option explicit, dim diameter as integer, dim length as integer, const VB key deck PT equal to 46.
Okay, hello, my name is Hobin Yao. So I'm going to present about the coding of this project. So when we press into the form and then we code it, txtd.text equals to string bracket VSB diameter dot value, and text L dot text equals to string bracket VSB length dot value and sub. And then we press into the scroll bar of the diameter, and then we code it as txtd.text equals to string bracket VSB diameter dot value, and then close bracket and sub.
Any value in the top section, there's a difference between pseudocoding and VB coding. For example, in pseudocoding, we have to type everything in a full sentence. For example, as shown in the slide, in pseudocoding, if we want to insert any condition, we have to type if in the bracket k greater than or equal to 0 or and less than or equal to 9. But in VB coding, we must use certain special words such as if in the bracket key as key with the symbol greater and equal with VB key 0 and key as key less than equal to key 9. And if you want to insert the decimal point or backspace is pressed, then in the VB coding we have to type as key as key equal to VB key DECPT or key as key equal to VB key. And then if you want to exit the sub, that's the difference. In pseudocoding, we must type exit subroutine, while in VB coding, we must type exit sub. And if we don't want to follow the condition, we want to exit in other condition, we must type else key equal to 0. But in VB coding, we must type else key as key equal to 0. And then if we don't have any condition, any additional condition, we can end the condition by typing and if in the both coding. And then for pseudocoding, we have for the last type we must type and subroutine, while in VB coding we must type and sub.
My name is Yi Huan, so I'm going to discuss about the calculate button. So after we click into the calculate button, first of all, we will have define variable. So usually in the coding, we will see like dim t as single, dim d as single. So it's actually define the variable torque, diameter, length, polar moment of inertia, maximum shear stress, angle of twist, and maximum torque as single. And after that, we will define like T is equals to the value of text talk.text, and D is equals to the value of text text D dot text, and L is equals to the value of text L dot text, which we will be using after that for the equation. So for the equation, the polar moment of inertia, which is labeled J dot caption, is 3.142 times diameter power of 4 over 32. And for angle of twist is equals to torque times length divided by 207 times polar moment of inertia, and the maximum shear stress is equals to 16 times torque over 3.142 times diameter power of 3. And for the maximum torque will be angle of twist times polar moment of inertia times 2 over the diameter. Okay, so after we have done the calculation, we will have the units also. So for the caption, the polar moment of inertia, the caption will be format bracket label J dot caption and the answer plus kgm power of 2. And for the angle of twist will be equals to format bracket label twist dot caption and the answer and plus the RAD. And for the LBL max S, which is the maximum shear stress, the format will be format bracket label max S dot caption the answer and add with n over n power of 2. And for the last one, maximum torque will be the format bracket label max T dot caption the answer and we add nm. End of it.
Hi, my name is Nadia Adlin Binti Muhammad Azman, and I'll be explaining about command button new calculation. For the pseudocoding, private subroutine, when command button cmd new is clicked, txt.text is blank out, txtd.text is back to 5, txtl.text is back to 5, lblj.caption is blank out, lbltwist.caption is blank out, lblmaxs.caption is blank out, lblmaxt.caption is blank out, and subroutine. And for the VB coding, private sub cmd new underscore click open bracket close bracket blank out the text box and label boxes. txt.text is equal to double apostrophe, txtd.text is equal to 5 double apostrophe, txtl.text is equal to 5 double apostrophe, lblj.caption is equal to double apostrophe, lbltwist.caption is equal to double apostrophe, lblmaxs.caption is equal to double apostrophe, lblmaxt.caption is equal to double apostrophe, and sub. And the last one, for the command button exit, for the pseudocoding private subroutine, when command button cmd exit is clicked and off program, and subroutine. And for the VB coding, private sub cmd exit underscore click open bracket close bracket and sub.
I'm Lizzie K. Today I'm going to present the test run program. Then first, we key in the diameter in the txtd. We key in 5 and each of the text block of 5 interval 5, 10, 15, 20, and then we key in the length with 5 meter and the interval is 5, and 5, 10 you click the scroll bar and it will go through 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 until 50 is the last. And we will label the unit as meter for diameter and length, while torque we key in as 20 Newton meter, and the label 3 is the unit for torque. After that, after we key in the diameter, length and torque, we just click calculate. The result will come out in label polar moment of inertia, label of twist, label of shear stress, and label of torque. The result of polar moment of inertia is 61.3592 kg meter squared, while the angle of twist is 0.0079 radian, and the result for maximum shear stress is 0.8149. And lastly, the maximum torque is 0.1932 Newton meter. So after that, if we want to recalculate, we just click new calculation, and the diameter and length will return to 5 meter. The polar moment of inertia, angle of twist, maximum shear stress, maximum torque, and torque will become blank. If you key in the diameter and length with 0 or negative result, it won't have a result come up. After that, if you want to exit the result, you just click exit and it will end.
My name is Nur Ilya Ayuni binti Azman. The sixth step is documentation of project. Documentation is a feature of our program and how it works. It also acts as a hand guide of how to use the program. The purpose of documentation is to enable the users to use the program correctly by following the manual. This gives the users step-by-step instructions.
Torsion calculator. First, insert the desired value for diameter D and length L by clicking at the respective scroll bar. Secondly, key in the desired value for the torsion key in the respective text box. Third, press the calculate button to obtain the genuine phi, tau maximum and T values. Next, press new calculation button to clear all text box and level boxes for new calculation and enter new value if necessary. And lastly, press exit to exit the program. Thank you.